Hi, Yunas here. So I've been thinking, how can we utilize AI to help QA? And recently I've built an application called Setara. This is a test case management system, and I've been experimenting how to implement AI in a test case management system application. So as you can see, this is not your typical test case management system. It has a built-in AI assistant. You see this guy right here. This is our assistant. I called it Asa. So the goal is to create an AI assistant that can help you to manage a test case management and interacting with the test case management system itself. So let's do a couple of demo with Asa. Hi, can you show me the squad with lowest coverage?
The squad with the lowest coverage is GitHub native CMS QA at 92.7%.
Can you open the squad detail page?
Done. Opening that page.
Okay, can you help me create a release plan for this squad? The release date is on 26th of this month.
I can set that up. Please confirm the plan details.
Okay, so Asa is not your typical chatbot assistant. So it has a built-in speech-to-text and text-to-speech capability, and it is smart enough to ask for clarification or give you options when it needs more details about the context that you want. So for this, let's say I will choose a default name.
Plan created successfully.
Can you open the plan detail page?
Opening the release plan page for GitHub native CMS QA release 2026-07-26.
Okay, so in Setara, a squad can have multiple release plans and they can assign uh, more than one project builds within a release plan. So next step is let's try to assign uh, a build to this release plan. Can you help me create a build for Raksara 4 and assign it to this plan?
I created the build for Roxara 4 and attached it to the GitHub native CMS QA plan.
Okay, so the speech to text itself already clever enough to understand some uh, specific context like this one. This is project name. And let's say after creating a build, we want to add some scenarios to test that build. So in this plan, it's already yeah, there's the build attached on this plan. So let's ask Asa to create some scenarios. Yeah, can you create two or three scenarios on that build? Uh, Make sure we cover like the sanity scenarios
3 sanity scenarios have been created for the Roxara build.
Okay, let's try to check. Yeah, it says that it created 3 scenarios, so let's try to verify it. Oh, it's not very. I think you assigned the scenarios in the wrong build. Can you check once again? Okay, so it asks for the build ID, so let's just give the build ID.
I've moved the 3 sanity scenarios to the requested build.
Okay, so it is assigned correctly. Yeah, sometimes it can make mistakes. So let's go back to let's see the build. And let's say after we have the scenarios, we want to track the scenarios. Setara itself has integration to issue management system. This time I will choose Jira. So let's ask Asa to create the Jira. Can you create a Jira task to automate and test all those 3 scenarios and link the Jira to the build?
I can create the Jira tasks once you confirm.
Okay, so it asks for a confirmation, so let's approve.
3 issues created.
Okay, let's confirm it. It say that it has created 3 issues. Okay, so yeah, it created 3 issues. Let's check. Yeah, so it's pretty basic, but yeah, we can work with this. So overall, I kind of satisfied with how this turns out. So the AI assistants can interact with us more naturally, and it can yeah help you to create scenarios, to plan, and to track issues easily. So hopefully we have uh, more ways to integrate AI into QA daily basis. So this is just one example. We can always improve it later on.